Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this hair, and this is a headband wig from Rpgshow. So this is how the box looks. The box is really nice. It has like a marble effect to it, and then the hair came inside of this bag, which is great because you have a bag that you can reuse for your hair and you don't have to keep the box. So on here it says Rpgshow Lifestyle Beautiful. So that is the bag, and then I did get several headbands, which I will show you later on in the video before we actually apply a headband. But they also did send some wig caps, and these wig caps are more on the brown side. But with a headband wig, it's not like a lace or anything, so you're just really going to put it on the back anyway. So yeah, with this particular wig that I have the 18-inch loose wave headband wig. So that is what I have. It is in the slip that has the info on it. So this particular wig, I will have the number for this wig, the style number listed down below. The texture is curly. The length is 18 inches. The hair color is the natural hair color. And the cap size is 1. And the construction of this wig is a headband wig, and the lace color is black, which it doesn't really have any lace. But this wig isn't the curly texture. This is more of like the loose wave texture. So it's an 18-inch loose wave, and if you can see, it is definitely a loose wave. It's not giving you curly, it's giving you loose wave. Okay, that is this hair. If you want to see how I applied this wig and styled it and everything like that, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so as you can see, I already have my baby hairs done and everything like that. So the edge control that I used is this one, and this is the Kiss Edge Fixer, the one that Sweetie done with them. And I have the watermelon one, so that is what I used to lay my edges. And I also did my little sideburns and just slicked my hair back. My hair underneath is in 2 plaits, like how I like to wear my hair underneath my lace wigs. My hair was already fixed for my lace wig, so it's already been like this over a week or so. So I was able to kind of push my hair back in the center where it kind of just looks like it's in one ponytail or bun or whatever. And then I have my wig cap on the back of my head. So that is the prep on this. Y'all know how to do baby hairs, but if you want to see how I do my baby hair specifically like this, I do have another headband video where I show you how I do it. So I will link that one down below as well if you want to see the beginning phase of my baby hairs and stuff. This is the wig. I haven't taken it out at all yet because I know it is a curly wavy texture, so we should be able to just wet her down and be good to go. I didn't have to curl it or anything like that. So this is how the curl pattern looks. It's a nice wave. The hair does feel a little bit dry, I can't lie. Like, I will need to put some conditioner in it. But this is how the wig is constructed. It is a headband wig, so you do have the Velcro strap that goes around the top part. And then you have some combs inserted as well. You have a comb in the center and then 2 on the sides. It may be kind of hard to see because the cap is black as well as the combs are black. So in the back you do have another comb as well with adjustable straps. So that is how this wig is made. So I'm just going to tighten up the adjustable straps on the back end. And then we will pop her on and see what she is giving. Definitely going to need to spray her down and define the curls and everything like that with this wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and put her on. Okay, so after I have it in place, I just go ahead and put the strap across the back. And then I kind of pull it up further than what I would actually wear it. And the combs seem to be sticking up, so I'll try to fix those. Alright, so now she is down. She is secure. I did attach the comb in the back and a little bit the ones on the side as well. So you can see it's a really nice wave curl pattern, but the hair is not completely defined and it's kind of like bent up from where it has been inside of the packaging. So I'm going to get my spray bottle and some conditioner so that we can wet her down and define the curls and everything. I just like to section off the hair into 2 sections, and then I will take my spray bottle and wet this side You can do this before putting the wig on so that it'll be easy to like throw it on and go, but I hadn't taken it out of the box completely and did this. So yeah, I'm gonna take a brush and just comb through, and you can probably already see that it's becoming more defined and everything. And like I said, the hair was a little dry, so I'm definitely gonna add some conditioner to it. I'm just using some Suave Naturals line conditioner, and I just have it in this little travel bottle. So I'm just gonna put a bit and put some on the hair, and this also will help with the hair frizzing up and stuff like that throughout the day. It'll help your curls to stay more tamed and frizz free and stuff like that. And with this kind of hair, since it is more of a loose wave, I do like to scrunch it to really get that wave going, especially after you comb it out, because you don't want it to kind of stay straight. But then I kind of like finger comb back through it because I don't want it to get fuzzy on me. But you can see how it looks compared to the dry side. And then of course you want to let the hair air dry so that it can fluff back up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side as well. Okay, so that's what it's giving. So we definitely want to let it dry so you can get the full look of how the hair is going to look, and then I will be back after I let it air dry for a moment. Okay, so while the hair is still drying a bit, I wanted to go ahead and show you the headbands that were sent inside of the box. So I did receive this headband that is like this pinky mauve type color, and it has little gold specks on it, like glitter. So I got that one, and it has like gold going through it. I also got this gray one that looks like this. It's kind of more casual, but I like how it's gathered in the center. So this is cute. And then I also got that same one in black, which I really do like, because a lot of times you get a lot of printed ones and it doesn't go with your outfit, but you can never really go wrong with like a black one. But it looks better than just having like this black band. So you have this black one, and the gray and the black one are ribbed. And I also got two more, and I think both of these are like a velvet material and inside of a bag. So this is the burgundy one. This will be really pretty for like the holidays and stuff. And they're all kind of gathered in the center, which I do like because it gives the headband a little bit more pizzazz. And then lastly, I have this purple one like this. So both of these are really good, like winter type colors. So those are the headbands that I received inside of the box. Let's see which one we want to put on, because this doesn't really match. None of them really match unless I just do like black or gray. I think I'll do the black one just because. So I'm going to put the black one on. Okay, so that's how it looks with the black one. You probably can't really tell much other than it has like that little gathering in the center, so it kind of makes the headband stick up in that area a little bit more. But yeah, this is what she is giving. Really pretty, really effortless, loose waves, very loose out the door kind of look. Let's see if we can do a bun. Let me show you the back of this hair. So my hair is still kind of wet, so it's kind of a little floppy, but that's like a loose, messy bun. It's still cute, although it's not like really structured, but y'all get the gist. Like you could definitely do a bun with this hair. You could kind of push this up more if you want it to be flatter. But yeah, I didn't really do mine's that well. I just kind of did it real quick just to show y'all that you can do a bun, or you could do a ponytail. You could do a half up, half down, or whatever. But I don't particularly like the headband wig in half up, half down with the headband in the front. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this wig. And I don't really like to mess with the hair while it's still drying because it's gonna make it get frizzy. But you can see the wave pattern and everything on it. So that is it for this video. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.